Welcome back to the Sleep Gramming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Python data types. So, buckle up and let's get started. In programming, data types are like the building blocks of your code. Python offers a versatile set of built-in data types, each designed for specific tasks. Wondering about the type of data you're dealing with? Python's got a handy tool, the type function. In this example, we assign the value 5 to the variable x and use type x to reveal its data type. Simple, right? Now let's talk about how Python handles data types dynamically. When you assign a value to a variable, Python figures out the data type on the fly. Depending on the assigned value, the variable x can seamlessly transform into different data types. Python's flexibility in action. If you want to be more specific about the data type, Python provides constructor functions. Here, we explicitly set the data type using constructor functions, ensuring precision in our coding. And that's a wrap on Python data types. We covered the basics, from dynamically assigned types to explicitly set ones. For more coding insights, stay tuned to the Sleep Gramming.